Here's how you can make strawberry lollipops, and I didn't burn the sugar this time, so we're good. In a saucepan, add strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice. Reduce this until it gets thick. Then in another pan, add sugar, water, and corn syrup. Get this up to 300 degrees, and once it's there, you can add a dollop of your strawberry mixture and give it a good mix. Now pour it into any mold you wish. I have this spherical one, and after 30 minutes, I pop one out, combine it with water, and that's it. Enjoy. Here's how you can make honey lollipop. Yeah, this is my favorite one so far. In a saucepan, add sugar, corn syrup, and water. Bring this up to 300 degrees and then add in your honey. I'm just using a raw honey. Mix it well, and while it's still hot, pour it into any mold you wish. I'm just using these spherical ones. After 30 minutes, pop one half out, combine it with water, and that's it. Enjoy. Here's how to not make grape lollipop. Last time we made lemon, which was way too sour, but this one didn't even taste that good. Let's start off with grape juice and reduce it. In another saucepan, add sugar, water, and corn syrup. Now you're supposed to get it to around 300 degrees, but I accidentally went up to 350 and I think that's how it messed up. Then I poured in my grape juice and placed them in my molds. After 30 minutes, I popped one out, combined it with water, and that's pretty much it. Try it out, but don't get it too hot. Here's how you can make a mango lollipop. This one came out way better than my first one. In a saucepan, add sugar, water, and corn syrup. Get this up to 300 degrees and then wait until all the bubbles go away. Now mix in some mango pulp and chamoy. Make sure you do this while it's still warm so it doesn't harden. Sprinkle some tahini in your mold and spoon in your mixture. And from my last video, it's not hair, it's sugar string. Add a piece of fresh mango, and after 30 minutes, pop one half out, combine it with water, and that's it. Enjoy. Here's how you can make a sour lemon lollipop. Last time we made mango, which was really good, but I don't know about this one. In a saucepan, add sugar, water, and corn syrup and bring this up to 300 degrees. Then wait until all the bubbles go away and squeeze in some lemon juice. In a separate bowl, add citric acid along with some lemon zest. Spoon the mixture into your molds, and after 30 minutes, pop one out and combine it with water. Now just cover the whole thing with more citric acid and lemon zest, and that's it. Enjoy. Here's how you can make a milk lollipop. It's super easy and all you need are 2 ingredients. In a bowl, let's add 1/3 cup of partly skim milk and half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. That's it. Whisk it up, and now you can use any popsicle mold you wish. I have these half spherical ones. I'm gonna fill it up, place a popsicle stick in the center, and freeze it for about 5 hours. Then I'm gonna pop one half out and combine it with the other half and freeze it again for about a half an hour to an hour, or just until it sticks together. Then you can carefully remove it, and that's it. Here's how you can make a lollipop. This was my first time and it was pretty fun. In a saucepan, add sugar, water, and corn syrup. Get this up to 300 degrees and then take it off the heat and wait until the bubbles go away. Now add whatever flavor you wish. I'm using Rooh-Afza, which is concentrated rose syrup. Mix and pour it into any mold you wish. I have this spherical one which I was supposed to use with a syringe, but that was a fail because it didn't actually suck anything up. So I used a spoon, pressed a stick in the center, and made 2 halves. After 30 minutes, I popped one out and combined it with water, and that's it. Enjoy. Here's how you can make ginger orange lollipops. I like to think of this as a unhealthy cough drop. In a small saucepan, add sugar, corn syrup, freshly squeezed orange juice, and diced ginger. Bring this up to 300 degrees, then quickly place this into any lollipop mold you wish. I have these spherical ones. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna pop one half out, combine it with water, and that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoy.